Yo guys, what is going on? Energy Summer here, and today I want to show you how to create a completely free thumbnail from the comfort of your home. If you want to learn how to create a thumbnail without having to hire a graphic designer, without having to learn how to use Photoshop, and without any pain at all, then watch this whole video because I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails like this in 5 minutes or less. So let me show you my no Photoshop graphic design skills. Before we get started, please help me out and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe and turn on alerts so you never miss any of my future videos. First thing you need in order to create a stunning thumbnail for free is a photo of yourself. Now, what I recommend is that you take several photos of yourself. Make sure that you use the portrait feature on your iPhone, or if you use a professional camera, make sure that you take several photos, because from what I have learned from my own experience is that not every photo that I take is going to work out. Sometimes I don't look right, sometimes I don't smile enough, sometimes whatever, So as you can see here, this photo looks good, I'm smiling, and this is where I'm going to be placing the text, and it looks good. So I'm going to close this now, and the first website that we need to use in order to create a free thumbnail is remove.bg. And the good part about remove.bg is that you can upload an image and you can remove the background of your image. And usually people need to use Photoshop in order to make that happen. And I know it's not so easy to learn. Here you can see I'm on the pricing page, and you really only need to sign up for a subscription if you want high resolution photos. If you don't want high resolution photos, you don't need to sign up for a subscription, as you can get up to 50 photos per account. As you can see here, what I would do is I would go to remove.bg and I'll click on upload image. And you can see I already uploaded before, but let's do it one more time so you can see what it looks like. The original version is being uploaded, and it will automatically remove all the background, so the tool knows exactly what to do. You don't even need to tell it what to do. It really works best for personal photos, like if there's more objects that you would like to keep in the photo, the tool probably won't work very well for that. But if you just want to have yourself in the photo and you want to remove all the background around you, that's when this tool really kicks in. As you can see here, it has removed all the background in just a few seconds, and you can now download this version. So if you want to get the image in high definition, you can do that as well, but you only get one download for the free account, the free trial account. So if you want more photos, then you would need to sign up for the paid version. You need to subscribe. For us right now, we're just going to download this version, click on download, and here it is. Voila. The second tool that we're going to be using is canva.com. Go to canva.com, sign up for an account. It's completely free, but like it was for remove.bg, you can get a paid account, you can get a pro account, and you're going to get a lot more features, obviously. They want you to pay to offer you more services. But the free account is more than good enough for what we have planned right now. Once you've signed up for an account on canva.com, you want to click on create a design, and you want to click on custom dimensions. And the dimensions we're going to be using for our YouTube thumbnail are 1280 by 720. This is the right size for the YouTube thumbnail. And here it is. On the left-hand side, you see templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, music, videos, background. So first of all, we need a background, correct? And not all of the backgrounds that you see on the left-hand side are going to be free. So you need to take a look at what you want. You can also just choose a simple color here, but I'm going to choose this background. And because it's flashy and I want that, I want it to be flashy. And now we have the background, right? And you could choose anything. Let's say you want to choose the blue one, or let's say you want to choose a color. Let's say that color is red. Voila. So it's pretty easy. And you can open up the color editor here. You can choose a custom color if you want. You can also go to blue and then choose a custom blue or purple. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? I'm going to choose this background. And now the next thing we want to do is we want to upload our image. When it comes to uploading the image, just go to Uploads, click on Device, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you have that photo, and upload it. I have already done that, and I'm going to click again on Uploads, and I'm going to choose this image. So I'm going to place this on the left side simply because I took the photo so I can place the text on the right side where the finger's pointing towards. And now what we're going to do is we're going to first of all choose a box, so you can go to Elements, and then we're going to choose, let me move myself down here. Here we can choose different shapes. So if you want, for instance, a round box, you can choose that as well. Or if you want something, if you want a quadrat, you can choose that. Just click on it and it will automatically inject it in the thumbnail. Here you can see you can change the size, just adjust it to the upside, downside, make it wider, minimize. You just have to play around with it. And here again, all the free shapes that you can use. If you want to use paid shapes, then you would need to look further down here and sign up for the paid subscription, obviously. And the first thing you want to do is you want to change the color, right? So we click on red here. And now we're going to move it up. Going to make it a bit bigger, a bit wider too. And now we need some text, right? Otherwise, we're not going to go very far. So we go to text, and I always do the heading, but you can also do any other text. I mean, if you click on heading here, you can see that it was injected. And since it's going to be a red box, I'm going to choose white font color. And this is going to say, I'm going to make this say YouTube. Place it in here, make it a bit bigger. Now if you want to tilt the box a little bit, right, you just click on it and then here you can adjust it. So I'm going to make it just a little bit like this maybe. And the same goes for the YouTube as well. Put it in here, make it slightly bigger. Voila. And now we need some more text, right? So I'm going to make it say YouTube thumbnails that pop. Going to go to Elements again. Going to go with the same shape. I like creating very colorful thumbnails because they tend to draw more attention than boring thumbnails. And here for the color, we're going to choose, we're going to make it like green, like this one. Now we go to text again. We can tilt this one as well, or we don't. It's up to us. Maybe tilt it a little bit. And the same holds true for this one. It's tilted some. That's probably a little bit too much. No, it's perfect. YouTube thumbnails, and now we're going to do another box. Background. Oh, when I go to Elements. And here what we're going to choose as a color, as a background color. We could do like yellow, or we could do white as well. Do yellow. That pop. Now since this is like a very light color in terms of box color, I'm going to choose a dark text color, if that makes sense. But you could also choose white, but it's probably not gonna stand out as much. And we could make this box bigger as well. Make this smaller first though. This is just a matter of practice, you know, you gotta play with it, gotta see how you can adjust it. Slightly too big now. I think this is pretty good. What do you think? What do you guys think? Do you think we did a good job here or not? I think it's pretty okay, if you ask me. It's pretty okay. YouTube thumbnails that pop is going to be our thumbnail. And now what you want to do is you want to download your free thumbnail. And how you do that is by going to this button, arrow down, click on it, and then the file type is going to be PNG, and you click on download. Now it's downloading the file for you, and you've just created a completely free thumbnail using canva.com, and you can use this thumbnail for your YouTube video. I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to create a stunning thumbnail in a matter of minutes. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you want to be notified when I upload the next video on how to create a thumbnail or make money online, then subscribe below. Also turn on alerts so you never miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video.